Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the emergency calls only issue on Android. This issue usually happens when the phone cannot connect to the mobile network due to SIM, mobile network, or signal problems. First, restart your Android phone to refresh the network connection. Check if the SIM card is inserted correctly and clean it if necessary. Also, move to an area with better network coverage and avoid low signal locations. Next, go to Settings, Connection, and Mobile Network and ensure the correct network mode is selected. Try manually selecting your network operator by going to Network Operator, searching for networks, and choosing your carrier. If the issue continues, reset network settings by going to Reset Options and resetting Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. If none of these steps work, contact your carrier to check for network outages or SIM activation issues. We just learned how to resolve the emergency calls only issue by checking SIM placement, selecting the correct network, and resetting network settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.